welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys, it's Rossi time. So we are going to do issue 53 of Build the Valentino Rossi motorcycle. And I say there's a lot in this, there's not much to do again guys. The parts are just very much, hardly anything at the moment. I have had the next pack of this, and again it's more or less the same. Yeah, they really are stretched. I think we've done about 40 odd issues now on an engine and bits and pieces. So, again, not a lot to do in this issue as well. So, what can I say on it? At least you get a nice funky t-shirt to go with the build. But you did get a nice funky hat. I did get the hat. I think it was in my the pack that I've just received. And yeah, I don't wear baseball caps. That's all I can say. I don't wear baseball caps, but I passed it on to my son who does, and yeah, he's going to be wearing it. Anyway, enough of me waffling, and let's get on with the build today. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, so let's just bring over the engine type, whatever this is. Now, it's saying something in this. It's in step 1, it says, take the Lambada sensor union that you attached to the 75 tube in issue 50. Now, I cannot remember attaching any tube in issue 50. But what I have done, I have actually now attached it. So that's there is the 75mm tube. That's coming off the bottom Lambada sensor. So it's just down there. Okay. Just move that off because I was test fitting everything. And what it's wanting us to do with this, it wants us to put it in the clip that is just down at the bottom here. So just into there. Okay. Next it says take the second Lambada sensor union issued in the upper mountain, and it wants us to put it in the furthest bracket up the top. It says use glue if necessary. I am hoping, yeah, I do need to use a bit of glue. I've actually got some glue from earlier because I had yet more repairs to make on this. So I'll just get a bit of that on here. It's, as soon as you touch this, something breaks on it. It's a very delicate model. Okay, so let's fit this one in. Okay, that's fitted into place. Okay, next we need to take this part here. Now this is literally going to fit over just over here. This, I think this is the heat shield or something. And I'm just going to fit that into place. Oh, it's the exhaust shield. Okay. And then what we need to do is we need to screw that in with a type D screw, which is a flat-headed screw. Oh. Okay, that's going into place. Just screwing that in nice and slowly. Okay, so that's in place. Just so you can see it from the side, which all looks correct. Now, I just thought this would line up a little bit better than it has. So I'm just trying to make sure that it's all clicking into place as it should be. Which I think it is now. But you never know. Right, okay, that's it. That's all there is to do in this stage. So it's literally them pipes and putting that in and screwing it down. We did get some bits for the other side of this. So this is, if this is the right pedal, this is the left pedal. Again, we're not doing anything with that. So it's a case of putting that away until the next stage. So that is this issue complete. So that's issue 54 done. Well guys, that's it for the Rossi. Again, not a lot to do. It's a difficult one. I know it's going to be a beautiful model when I finish with it, but it's week after week now of hardly anything to work with. I think they're going to have to start doing something soon, because I think a lot of people will probably back out of a model like this when you're getting very little to do, very little parts. And yeah, they really are going to have to start upping the ante, because we're halfway through more or less, and there's really not a lot to do on this motorcycle at all. The next pack of issues doesn't look like a lot, even though we got them issues in the 80s, and they look like covering. So we're going to have another 30 odd issues of just more of this. I don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, I think something's going to have to start happening very soon on this bike. In order for it to start looking a heck of a lot better and a lot more to do than what we're getting at the moment. Anyway, enough of me waffling on and moaning. If you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always guys, stay safe and bye for now.